Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll be explaining things about the BMW E90 E91 E92, all those, guys. As you know, we got this from a car auction the other day. Videos are coming soon, so please subscribe, guys. We'll be rebuilding this one. We'll share information how to buy them without a dealer license and all that stuff. So in today's video we'll show you where the airbag sensors are located, the front airbag sensors. As you can see, guys, this one took quite a bit of a hit. Okay, pretty bad, right? So we will be uploading videos on both channels, and we thought that the airbags will go off. So when I beat on it, I was a little bit suspicious because I couldn't see the interior too good, but check this thing out. No airbags, everything's good there. So that tells me that the airbag sensors are not located on the front reinforcement bar. So on most vehicles, guys, like Mercedes, the one that we rebuilt, this one here, the airbag sensors are located on the reinforcement bar. Okay, on this one, right here, they're located in the corners. Either the inside or the outside, depending on models, different models. On this one, I don't see anything. It's just the horn right here. It's mashed on this side. You can see right here there is nothing. So I started looking for them and we couldn't find them. And all of a sudden, we realized that they're in the corners of the fenders. So if you remove the tire and you see that cap right here that you access the headlight bulbs, you can see on the inside, these guys right there, this is airbag sensor. Front airbag sensor. That's where it's located. Okay, let me see if I can focus a little bit and see the numbers. Okay, right there. This is the front left. The front right is exactly the same procedure as well. You can see it will be located here in the corner. You can see it, okay, right there. So if you're looking for those, guys, I hope the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.